Solid from Usman Khawaja. He'll be very, very keen to get some runs today.
This was the over that really cost the Wolves. 28 runs from this particular over. Bajwa was in full flight. Incredible shot backward of square through the offside. And again.
Back live now. A little bit leg side. Khawaja goes away, just swings that, goes with it, and gets it away for a boundary nice and early.
Just for a moment, as he swivels to get it through the leg side, he sees a short fine leg, but he gets a good piece of it and some good height as well. So he'll pick up 4, Uzi Khawaja.
They will certainly be aware of how important the power play is. They'll treat that with some solid respect. Early game today was a bit of a disaster, 4 down. It actually should have been 5 if Marcus Stoinis had been caught. It was a sitter that was grass, so it would have been 5 down on the power play, which would have been big game, set and match at that stage, really, because they wouldn't have kicked on to get any sort of total. That's well played, and that's gone for 6. Really good stuff onto the roof.
Gets himself into a bit of a tangle. I think it actually rushes him, but he continues to play the shot. He doesn't give up on it, because if he does, this top edge finds the fielder. So he does really well here. He continues to commit. Just there, he gets into a bit of a tangle, and then he commits to the shot, gets the height and the distance, and it's well appreciated.
So suddenly that gives him an opportunity to turn this into a really big over. 11 from it now. Still 2 balls to go. Inside edge. Just the single though.